Let's go ahead. Y'all like these glasses that I'm wearing? What's up everyone, it's your boy Snazz-E, and today we're playing a game that I found on itch.io called Psychosis. Yes, I'm so happy to be playing more horror games. This looks like a good one. Anyways, before we start this video, if y'all hit that like button and subscribe, it would truly mean a lot. I am posting daily. If y'all want to see new Snazz-E videos, stay tuned. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Let's make it snazzy. December of 1986. You get a call from your office and find that you need to investigate another murder. You reluctantly board the train and ride it until it last stop, the abandoned factory. I don't know why you would do that, but let's do it. Get off the train. Oh, my nose is itchy. Ah! Okay. I look like a child. Get off the train. Do I go here? Nope. Alright, let's go this way. Thank God I can run. Check the warehouse. Actually, it's not good, because what happens if, like, I have to do a chase? It seems that the door is closed. Try the fuse box in the building opposite the warehouse. Okay. These graphics are really good though, like... oh, okay. E to interact. Nice. Sweet! Okay. Sensitivity is a bit high. Maybe it's just like my settings, but... I'm always watching... Oh no! Whoa. Should I go here? Okay. I'm making the right moves. I'm doing the best I can, so I don't get scared. Get out. I would gladly get out. Is that a wrench? Oh no, it's a key. Alright, cool. Okay, keys picked up. Where should I go now? Can I climb? I can't jump? Okay. Well, sucks for me, right? Okay. I'm gonna go to this place because I think there's light. Okay, no, it doesn't make me go there. Okay. I don't know where the heck I'm going, as you can tell. But we're gonna try to find a way to get out of this, you know? Check the warehouse. Which warehouse? It's like a bunch of warehouses. This one with the lights? Kind sir, I'm trying to check the warehouse, but there's no door.
That is not correct.
So I got keys. Let's see if these keys can work with this door. Oh my gosh. Really? That's what I had to do? Okay. You're next. What is this, Goldberg?
You're next!
Notes collected. Come on. I was trying to use the dumpster to get up here. Oh, I guess I'm not that fatty. Oh, okay. I'm good. I'm good. I don't know why I'm holding my breath. What is this? More keys! Are you gonna take another 10 minutes? Can I crouch? What other place had a gate though? Oh, here. There we go. My questions have been answered, and I can't fall off. Whoa! Here we go. I'm about to open this door. Can you open the door, please? Oh my gosh. Alright, well, whatever. Is there another way? Oh, here we go. Okay, okay. Okay. I got this every day. I know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to speak because I'm too scared at the moment. And I don't want something to pop up of the... Okay. This man got bodied. Gotta change the shirt. It's gonna be a pop-up, I swear. I swear it's gonna be a pop-up. Psychosis. Developed by James Gascoigne? James. I'm gonna call you just James. Alright, I'm sorry if I'm butchering your last name, my friend. That was actually really good. It took me a while to find that door for those keys, but graphics and the sound design, my friend, really good. Really good job. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want more, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos of Snazz-E. Remember to hit that notification bell so you can be updated on my new videos. Alright? Remember to stay safe, be happy, and keep it snazzy. Peace.